Okay,
So
so
here
here
I'll show
I'll
you
show
the
you the
material.
material.
So what is the Python language? About the Python language related some informations we discussed. Okay, why Python is having demand in the IT industry? What are the Python futures? Their popular Python futures. Simply, what are the futures are provided by the Python language? What are the advantages after learning the Python? Okay, about the Python history, about the Python versions, and downloading installation path related, we discussed guys so far. Okay, Python is a case sensitive language. I said the lower letters, upper letters, all are different. So in this material, Python related futures I provided. Okay, definition and a lot of futures there, Python futures. Because of these all futures, the Python language getting more demanding as nowadays. So about each future we discussed. Okay, do practice these all things, do reading, and where the Python used in the real time in data science, in desktop application development purpose, console-based application, mobile application, software application, web applications, artificial intelligence application, 3D CAD application, enterprise application, like different domains there, guys. In education system, in testing systems, okay, in testing area, in gaming area, in IoT, in networking, in DevOps, in these all sectors, Python used nowadays. That's why this Python is getting more demanding. Okay, na? So these all things are already uploaded in the portal from the Asok IT portal. You can get it, guys. And the history of the Python programming language also we discussed. History of the Python programming language. So here, who created means Guido van Rossum created. Already I explained these all things. Guido van Rossum created this Python programming language in 1980s. About the Python programming language, discussion started, guys. This programming language conceived in the year 1980s, and in 1989 implementation started and released to public in the year 1991. So this month and date, no need to remember. Year important. 1991 released to public. Who was author of the Python programming language? Who
Guide and
developed
Russell.
means Python? See, Guido van Rossum. This person developed. So he was a mathematical scientist, guys, a mathematical research scientist developer. So he worked in this CWI Institute, which is located in Netherlands. Okay, this is some basic history about the Python programming language. And in 2021, in 2001, guys, simply in 2001, Python Software Foundation (PSF) company started. In 2001, Python Software Foundation established. Why this company started means for promoting the Python, for protecting the Python, for adding new implementations in the Python. So this organization developed, and now this organization maintained this Python programming language. Okay, na? And our Python programming language derived from this ABC programming language, guys. So Guido van Rossum wanted to create a successor to the ABC programming language that would be very easy to read and efficient. The predecessor of the Python programming language is ABC programming language. This is the one of the already existing language. From that ABC programming language, this Python programming language derived. Okay, na? So guys, I'm saying again and again, materials you are going to get from the official Asok IT portal. Okay, na? And I'll let you know about this all information. Just wait. And why our language name kept as Python? Why
The
not other
programming
name
language
means?
Python
So
is
our
named as
author
the BBC Comedy 6
loving one
Monty
popular
Pythons.
British BBC
Flying
channel
Circus.
related British web series movie like the so movie name was Monty
Monty
Python's Flying
Python's Flying
Circus.
Circus.
This one movie name, guys. The Monty Python's Flying Circus. So our author thought like Guido van Rossum thought the name was a very short name required, unique name required, a slightly mysterious name required like that. He thought and he took this name Python and kept as our language name. Okay, now remember this one. And coming to the versions, guys, coming to the Python related versions, so we have a 1x related version, 2x related version, 3x related version. Officially, PSF company, Python software company, officially announced this 1x, 2x versions not going to supporting like that. From 2020 onwards, these versions not using guys in real time. No one using. So all the people are using 3x version only. When coming to the 3x, right now 3.13 their latest version, 3.13 version. From 3.9 or above versions people are using in industry guys. 3.9 or above versions. Okay, so here the Python versions, Python versions you can click and check in this. So here the list displaying guys. See this colored related all the versions are deprecated versions. No one using in the industry. So these versions are the current industry versions. From Python 3.9 or above version up to 3.12. 3.13 is the latest version. This is the latest version, current version. So we can download and install this current version and we can do practice with this one, no problem. So 3 is the major version, 13 is the minor version, and patch version also there, 0.4. Okay, 3.13.4, this is the patch version. No worries about the patch version. So 13 is the latest version, remember that. And this year, October month, they are planning to release this 3.14 version. This 3.14 version they are planning to release guys, and next year they are planning to release this 3.15. Like every year October month they are planning to release one version guys. Here you can see every year October month they are planning to release one version. Okay, no? So you can download this latest version and you can install. Simply here python.org, Python organization, this is the official website. www.python.org official website. So now here downloads there guys, click on this downloads, and here the download link is there. So click on this download link. Click on this download link. So if it is a Windows OS in your laptop, Windows OS there, directly downloading that. If it is a Linux or Mac OS or any other OS, you can select a particular platform. So click on here guys, one downloadable related executable file downloading. In your downloadable folder, one .exe file coming. So go to there, double click on that. Okay, number of screens it is asking. So you can install guys. Python simply yeah, Python installation steps. So you can search here number of websites coming guys. So anyone you can open. So number of screens displaying installation related. See from the official website you are downloading, and later go to the downloadable folder location, double click on that. So first time showing like this. So this is a default location. This is a custom location where you want to install. What features you want to install, you can choose here. So as a learner, as a beginner, no, don't select this one. You can select this default one, guys. Default location you can select, and before going to click this one, you have to select these check boxes. So why means automatically Python path setup adding to the environment variable, admin privileges also taking. Okay, for some people only this one showing, for some people both options displaying. If any options there, you can select and click it guys, and later click on this one. Okay, next screens follow. Okay, so if you are selecting the custom location related, then what options you want, these all are by default coming. If you don't want any future, for example pip you don't want, you can unselect like that there. So you don't know right now about this one, no worries about this one. Default installation you can select. Okay now. So after the downloading and installation done successfully, setup was successful like that showing, and finally close button you can click. So up to that, your Python software downloading, installation completing. After downloading and installation completing in our system, so we are getting ideally tool guys, Python based ideally tool we are getting, where we can develop the project coding. Our Python related coding here we can develop and we can execute it guys. And one interactive console also we are getting, and documentation also we are getting as for reading related. This official documentation usually we are unable to understanding. So every session I will share with you. So follow that guidelines and that material, you can read it, do practice, and later you can check it official documentation or whatever you want. So interactive console means black screen, guys. Here in the start menu, type the Python and click here. One black screen coming. Python console. It looks like this one, guys. Okay, triple gradient symbol. Now here the Python related coding we can write it. If you want to print this one, print function we are using and printing, then 10 result coming here. And after that, like this again coming. For example, here if I'm using print hello, then that hello message is going to be printing. So like that, here we can do small Python testing. What Python can do, small basic testings we can do it, guys. Okay, check it here. 10 value I'm storing, and if I want to print this 10 value printing, and if I'm using hello, then hello message printing. So Python is a interpreted programming language. It means every line immediately executing. Syntactically correctly there or not checking, and if yes, then immediately executing. If any statement is syntactically wrong there, wrong means, for example, here open parenthesis required, close parenthesis also required, but not closing and trying to executing. And trying to executing, so it is going on like this. Okay, so not terminating. Okay, here I'm closing, but quotation, guys, open is there, close is not there. So I'm trying to executing, then error coming. Okay, unterminated string literal, here opening, here not closing. So that's why the error showing here, syntax error showing. If you're not following Python rule, then syntax error returning. Understanding? So like a small testings we can do. This is not suitable for developing the many lines of code at a time and executing. So we are not going to use this one. Simply close it. And next, ideally you can use, guys. Ideally, here you can open this ideally. It is also looks like a Python console only. Interactive mode, batch mode, like we are calling. This is a batch mode related. Simply ideally. So here also small Python testing we can do it. For example, here, so welcome message I'm writing and printing here. Okay, so if we want to write many lines of code, if we want to save any data in the file, then we can use this ideally, guys. Okay, I'll let you know that. Simply here, line one I'm using, and next line 2 I'm using, and next line 3. See here, these many lines I created. So this is what ideally, guys, ideally follows RAM memory. Ideally uses the RAM memory, read access memory. RAM is a volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory. Volatile memory means a temporary memory. Temporary memory, guys. It means right now here, these all lines I executed here, loaded these all lines in this screen, loaded. Once if I'm closing this one, once if I'm closing this ideally, then what are the lines here opening, guys? What are the lines we used here? These all lines deleted from the memory. These all lines deleted from the memory, guys. Okay, for example, check it here, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Now if I'm printing a, I'm able to accessing. If I'm printing b, I'm able to accessing b related value. So in memory we saved these values. So temporary memory in RAM memory saved, and we can access. Once if we are closing, so whatever loaded in that memory, all are going to all deleted, guys. All are deleted. Okay, so after deleting, if we are trying to accessing those variables, for example, previously print a return 10, now not available, this a is not available in the memory, then you are going to get name error. Name a is not defined. A is one variable name, like if a is like one identifier name, considering that identifier name not available, then name error returns. So this one number of times we are going to see coming sessions. Slowly try to remember at what time this exception coming. Okay, yes, remember, guys. Right now here I have one requirement, that requirement related here, number of lines code I created, guys. For example, 100 lines code I created, 100 lines. After executing this, ideally I'm closing. Next, after 1 hour, again I want to use these 100 lines. Then these 100 lines are automatically deleting. Already deleting when close this one. Once close this one, automatically these all 100 lines deleted. Next time, if we want these 100 lines one more time, again we have to recreate these all hundreds of lines of code. So this is all making lot of burden on the developers, taking more time. That's why these all 100 lines I want to save in a file permanently. Then whenever I require, I can access these files. Okay, for that purpose here we have some options, guys. So click on this file, click on this file, click on the new file, then new notepad displaying. If you want, you can drag like this, guys. You can move size, whatever the size you want, like that you can move it. That's your wish. Now here hundreds of lines code, what you want, you can create it. For example, line 1 is there, next line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, like a number of lines I'm creating. Okay, now here code and five lines I created, guys. And here untitled is there, means not saved this file. We have to save it. So click on the file, click on the save menu. So control S is the shortcut for saving. Control N is another shortcut for opening new notepad. Already existing Python file, if we want to open, control O we can use. Okay, I'm going to click control S related. So it will open the Python file. So now here conditions there. Don't disturb this Python software location. Choose one folder where you want to create your Python programs. So I'm suggesting to you guys, in your laptop, in any one drive, either D drive or E drive or F drive. Okay, if no drive there, C drive must be there. So in C drive, Python programs, like one folder you can create. Python programs. Next, for storing the materials related Python materials, like different folders you can create, guys. So choose one folder where you want to create this Python program and executing. So and there you can create it. First, in my system, I created by clicking this new folder, one new folder I created with name AIT2, AIT3. See, in D drive AIT3, I created, guys, in the last session. In D drive AIT3, like one folder, Asok AIT3, like one folder I created. Okay, so now here I want to save it my file. In last session, I created demo file. Now I want to create a sample file. So any file name .py extension you can write. Any file name .py extension called Python file. Any file name with having extension .py consider like a Python file. If we are not using .py, also automatically save as a type Python file type only. Okay, in this location saving, click save button. So where it is saving also you can identify here. In D drive, AIT3 folder, sample.py saved. Okay, next I want to execute, guys, this one. So here run menu is there. Run menu is there. Click on this run, and next run module 5 is there, guys. Click on this run and click on run module. So simply run module. Then you are able to see the output. So here we are writing the lines of code. These lines of code we are able to see output here. Okay, next I want to add one more line here. For example, 6 I'm adding. Save it. Right now not saved. Star is there, means not saved. Control yes, saved. If you are not saving and if you are trying to running, then it is automatically asking us source code must be saved. Okay, source must be saved, like one alert displaying. So okay, if you are clicking saving, okay to save, or cancel if you are clicking not going to saving. So if I'm clicking okay, saving and then executing, so that new line also come here. All of you clear? So how to creating first Python program and executing. This is the concept using ideally. For example, I'm not using this ideally. If I'm using this ideally, I can click this run and run module 5. Simply F5 button we can press. So that's why command prompt in every laptop must be there, guys. Command prompt location you can use. For example, in the D drive IIT3, so this is I mean changing it. Okay, A83. So now this is our path, guys. D drive A83. So here you can type type this cmd like this, py python space filename.py. This is the official command for executing particular python files. So then you're going to get a result here. Understanding how to executing python script? Every .py file is considering like a python script only. Some DevOps people, guys, DevOps engineer or DevOps students who are learning the DevOps course, so they are thinking Python script is a different one like that. Every Python py file is nothing but a script file only, creating sample.py script and writing the required logics. Okay, this is the Python script only. Simply we are calling like a Python file, Python file, Python file. Are you clear? And this kind of programs, number of times we are going to do using ideally, slowly you will understand. Remember, guys. Okay, so I created and I executed. So I'm closing today, and this ideally also I'm closing. Next I want to use, guys, again I want to use this one, the same file. So how we are using means, open this ideally. See here, open the ideally, and if more size is there, reduce the size, and click on the file and click on the open. So it will open by default Python software location. Click open. Then our file is opening. So now here, what are the lines code you want? You can write it. Okay, this is the process, guys, executing, creating the first Python program and executing Python program using IDLE or using command line screen. All of you clear this one so far? Okay, one more time, one more point I want to let you know. After downloading and installing, so these three coming I said, so these two things I explained, and this is the documentation related, no need to discussing about this one. And the next Python software Python software path added or not, I want to identify. For that, command prompt open, guys. So here C drive users, your username displaying. In my system, Lenovo like displaying as my name. In your system, maybe your name is there. Okay. So now here, type Python and press enter. Press enter. So if you are seeing like this, the triple greater than symbol, Python prompt we are calling. This Python prompt, if you are able to see after typing the Python and pressing enter, Python path added successfully in environment variable, like you can consider. This is your consideration, confirmation, guys. Python path is added or not, how to identify means, open the command prompt and type the Python and press enter. So if you are getting like this, Python path added. Okay, now for example, next, okay, right now we are in the command from Python prompt, guys. So here, if you want the Python related coding, you can do it if you want. Same like a console, same like this interactive console, black screen. Okay, so many lines code unable to write here. Next, from the command prompt to Python prompt, if we want to come back, this Python we typed. Right now we are in the Python prompt. From Python prompt to again, I want to move back to the command prompt. I want to coming back to the command prompt. Then here, exit, like one function is there, type, press enter, coming back. So from the command Python prompt, you are exiting, then again coming back to the command prompt. Okay, one more time typing Python. So one more shortcut is there. Control Z, you can press and enter, guys. Control Z. Okay, press the Control Z and enter button, click it, then coming back to command prompt. Okay, so this one remember. And if Python path not added successfully, if it is added, then only coming like this. If Python path not added successfully, then what happening can see here. For example, Python 1, 2, 3, like something, or Python 1 like I'm using. So this is the wrong name, guys. So only Python is there. internally in Python software location, python.exe file is there. This is the Python executable file. Okay, so where this Python executable file is there, that is we have to add in the environment variable. At the time of installation, only one checkbox showing. If you are selecting that, automatically adding. If not selected this one, then not adding. Then we can add it. How to add, I will show you. Just wait some time. Okay, if we added this one, path if we added, when we type like this coming. Okay, Python prompt. If not added Python path, for example, assumption Python 1 is like one Python software assumption. If this one not added in the environment variables, then like this showing Python 1 is not recognized as an internal or external command, like something error. So for example, Python also not added in the environment variable, then Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, like error showing. So if you are seeing like this, any exception, any error, this is your confirmation Python path not added in the environment variable section. All of you clear so far? Ravan Kumar, today I'll already uploaded material downloading and installation related from the official website. Okay, this is the official website. Here, download there. You can click on here, or else click on this like this coming. Down, click this, and one executable file coming. Double click there. Next to follow, and automatically installing. Downloading and installation process is a 5 minutes time only. So why we need Python path means every Python software, whenever we, not Python software, Python, Java, .NET, whatever, every software after installation completing, where it is there, that is we have to specify to the operating system. Then only whenever we are executing Python program, then Python software where is there identifying the by OS operating system and using that executing. Okay, that's why path setup is very important after downloading and installing every software. Is that clear, guys? Hope everyone following. And next, Python path, if not added here, how to checking Python path, adding or not related, I explained. If path added like this coming, if not added, Python is not recognized, like error showing, error showing. So if not added, we can add it explicitly. How to adding? So I'll let you know right now. So simply click on this and go to the C drive, go to the C drive. In C drive, users there, guys. In users, username in your system, your name is there. Okay. So in my system, Lenovo is there. In your system also, don't search for Lenovo. In your system, maybe your name is there. So go inside that, and next here app data is there. App data is like one folder is there. This is a hidden folder. By default, we are unable to see it. We have to enable it this one. Okay. So depending on your laptop, guys, laptop version, here for some people showing like this, for some people here one hidden eye symbol showing. By clicking that hidden items, you can enable it. Okay, so if you don't know how to enabling, simply in internet, okay, in your system in internet, how to enable the hidden items, like you can type, you will get it. Next next to this one, like that screens you are getting. Okay, I'm clicking this view, and here hidden items checkbox there, guys. Hidden items checkbox there. For example, this is unchecked. So it means this app data folder here not displaying. That is a hidden folder. Okay, so click on this view. Click on this hidden item checkbox. Then we are able to see this app data folder. So go inside this app data folder. Next, go inside this local, and here see, guys, many folders there. So now scroll down here, the programs there, guys, programs there. So go inside this programs, and click on this Python, and next click on this Python 313. This is the latest version we installed. Okay, and now here this is the Python software related, all the libraries files there, guys. So here the Python .exe file. This is the Python executable file. Python.exe file. This is the main Python interpreter file. This is important for executing Python programming. Okay. So up to this folder, guys, up to this folder, this is a path. So copy this one, this folder, copy and paste into the environment variable section. How we are the pasting, how we are the creating, later I'll let you know. So including slash you can use. Okay, in this folder python.exe file is there. So this is the related to, this is the related to python.exe file, simply called as python interpreter. And next, in this same location, we have a scripts folder, guys. We have a scripts folder. Go inside this, and now here the pip is there. PIP, Python installer package. Python installer package. Python based packages, third party modules or third party packages which are available in the internet. If we want to download and install, this one is required. So this is also we can add in the environment variable. So why means from the command prompt directly we can use the pip command. Otherwise, every time from the command prompt to this path, you have to redirect. Then here you can use the pip. Instead of redirecting every time like that, one time you can add this path. So go inside this script, copy this folder path, and this one also in the environment variable we are going to add. So this is related to pip related path, guys. Simply pip location. Okay, these are two things we have to add into the environment variable section. So right now all of you understanding how to copying this path, and also at the time of installation only, so you're getting that path. You can see here. So you can observe here. C drive users username. Okay, first 3 points you can see. C drive users username. Later app data local programs. See here app data local programs. Inside that Python and Python version. So again here Python version. This is the path. At the time of installation only showing where it is going to install it. Okay, try to remember it, that one. And here only showing it includes ideally pip command documentation. Okay, like something options showing. Okay, these two parts we have to add into the environment variable section. How we are adding, how we are adding. Okay, that is we'll see how to adding means. So next here only environment variables. See in the start menu, environment system environment variables like that, environment variables like env, when you are typing like this coming. Okay, so simply click on this, and it is opening like that. Here advanced tab automatically opening, and here environment variables there, guys. Okay, okay, I'll show you later that. And here right click on this PC, guys. Right click on this PC, and next click on this properties. Click on this properties. One window is opening, and here somewhere the advanced system settings there. Advanced system settings. Click on that, and now here see advanced and environment variable there. Okay, instead of doing this all process, simply in the start menu env environment variables like you can type, and click here directly opening this one. Okay, so next click on this environment variables. So here user variable section, system variable sections there. So now here path is there, guys. Okay, path variable is there. So if I'm selecting this new, so a variable name is what, variable value is what, like asking. So variable name is a path, this path you are entering here. Variable value, so right now here we copied. So one time this we are pasting, second time this one we are pasting. Okay, so after the value copy and paste here, then OK button activated, you can click. Otherwise, other alternative one, simply here select this path and click edit, or else double click on this path, no problem. All are same behavior only. Okay. So now here, if you want, you can expand the screen if you want to see more clearly. And now here all installed softwares showing, guys. Okay. So now you can see here, this is the related path. This is the Python related path. Okay. These two automatically added when I was installed this Python software. For you also same like that, when you are installing, automatically coming. If you are selecting the checkbox, Python checkbox, path setup related checkbox. If not added these two lines here, simply right now we copied now here. So this one copy and then command paste here. Simply here, last you can double click here and you can paste here. Otherwise, simply you can click here, new, and then here paste it. And then click OK. Like that, 2 times you are going to add. Okay, after adding these 2 lines, so from the command prompt directly pip we can use without redirecting to up to this path, guys. Without redirecting to up to this path. And from the Python command prompt directly we can use Python. Okay, these two we are adding. These things called as how to adding environment variables or how to adding Python path to the environment variables. This is a concept. This entire one available in the material, guys. So downloading and installation related material also I uploaded in the portal. So go and download that file and read it line by line. So how to downloading, how to installing, how to adding Python path. Okay, this interpreter how we are adding, scripts how we are adding, pip command how we are adding, everything you are able to get it. 1 year accessibility there, guys. Material 1 year accessibility. Okay, so and separate WhatsApp group creating, separate WhatsApp group creating for our doubt clarification and all. And PDF materials, guys, you people, registered people able to accessing PDF materials and all, interview questions and all. And regular sessions, live sessions I'm discussing, text based files you're going to get it. Okay, normal people, text based files you're going to get it, remember it. Okay, initial session I'm sharing the PDF files and later only for registered people getting. Okay, backup videos also you are getting. 1 year accessibility is there. You know, 1 year accessibility is there. And free links. Okay, I shared guys already. And how to registering backup videos or how you are getting free sessions related links also I shared with you. Okay, one more time I'm posting in the chat box. So this is okay, how to join the Python pre-batch in Asok IT website. Okay, one YouTube link providing us, YouTube link providing. So watch this video. Okay, it is a 2 minutes video only. So clearly you are able to understand it. And using this video, you can register and you can access the material and all, programs, coding files and all. And this one is a WhatsApp link. Click on this link. You're going to join into the WhatsApp group. Okay, our session related updates and all you're going to get it. Okay, now in the chat box I'm posting guys. So copy that link, YouTube link, and click on that WhatsApp link. Understanding? And for more information, any doubts and all there, contact these numbers. Contact these numbers, office team will give you response back. Okay, remember that. So already I said guys, for registered people, recorded videos, every day our session recording, recorded videos also you're getting. 1 year accessibility is there. For this, 999 rupees we are charging guys. Okay, we are collecting 999 rupees for recorded videos, 1 year accessibility. It is all in cloud storages, in servers automatically storing. From that server, automatically you people able to accessing. Okay, separate WhatsApp group creating for our doubt clarification. Here you can send messages and all. You can discuss with me also. I will also join there. And PDF materials, topic wise, I will share every day. Whatever the topic completing, the topic related I will share. Okay, placements, assistance, their certification, course certification also providing. Okay, for free session, live sessions only there. For them, course certification are giving and the placement assistance not there. And PDF materials also you are not going to get. Recorded videos also you are not going to get. So you are going to get daily classes, guys, Monday to Saturday, soft copy material, text-based material you are going to get. Interview questions, I'll share it, and I'll share some assignments and all to you for your practice purpose. Understand this one? See, yes, guys, in this WhatsApp group, only admin people are able to send the messages. Okay, for all normal people also. Okay, if giving permission in that WhatsApp group, so a lot of unknown people joining here and sending some illegal messages. religions related, politics related, okay, different messages, cricket related messages, and movies related updates posting, and groups are getting a lot of disturbances. Okay, na? That's why only for registered people giving access. Separate WhatsApp group there for registered people giving access. There you can send message. Okay, remember that. When connecting the free sessions, so here taking others' numbers and doing chatting with them and disturbing some other students guys. Okay, last pre-session batch also some students, boys, okay, they took numbers, girls' numbers and sending messages. Okay, some illegal activities doing. So that's why not giving permission to students in that group. See, interactive WhatsApp group, Meenakshi, automatically you're going to add when you are completing registration. Okay, so for this registration people, if you are registering for backup videos, automatically you're going to add to the interactive WhatsApp group. Okay, for doubt clarification and all. There are only sincere people joining and learning. Okay, initially a lot of people joining, and after 10 days, a lot of people leaving these sessions. Okay, later the automatically materials coming like that, they are thinking, and they are not doing practice, they are not attending the regular sessions. So that's why only for registered people giving these all opportunities. Okay, now remember, guys. Okay, if you are registering already, okay, for backup videos, so tomorrow onwards you are able to access in the this WhatsApp group. Tomorrow onwards, tomorrow all the people who registered for backup videos going to add into that WhatsApp group. Okay, management people said like that. Okay, within 10 days, guys, you can think about this session and do you want to register videos and all. Okay, some people after some days we can join like that, they're thinking that time you are not going to get materials. Whenever you joined from there onwards, you are going to get material access. Okay, so if you are joining initial only, starting onwards, you are going to get material access to PDF materials and all. So remember that point. Okay, if you don't want any backup videos and all, then no worries about that. Directly you can join the live session and you can get the knowledge. Okay, yeah, continue. And now comes to our concept, something we discussed, guys. Installation related, path setup related. So far, we discussed this one. So these all things available in the material also, guys. Hard material, Python installation and path setup, downloading and installing, and how to adding the path. Okay, this entire information you can go through this one here, the where you are downloading, okay, how you are installing, all these things are providing, guys. Okay, na? So check it this one, and the installation process there. After installing, then how to add the Python path. Okay, so this is also you're getting, and here in the start menu you are searching for environment variables like this coming, click on this. So these all things right now I explained, advanced automatically selecting, here system variable there you're going to selecting, and double click on the path variable. So here path variable is there, double click on that and paste your Python software what you are copy and pasting. Okay, here we copied and pasted na interpreter related, pip related, these two things here you can paste. Okay, so after adding, then open your command prompt and type here like this, just like a Python you can type, then Python prompt opening. So that was your confirmation, that is your confirmation Python added successfully like that. If you want to see the version of the Python, you can type like this, Python space hyphen hyphen version, which Python version we installed, like you are able to see here. So for example, check
Hello.
it here, Python hyphen hyphen version, then so this version I installed. Patch version, guys, for your senior batch related I installed this one, that's why 3.13.2 there. So right now here patch version 4 is there, 3.13.4 is there. You can download and install the latest version, no worries. Understanding this one? So here after downloading and installing, so later the
Yeah,
first
also
Python
guys, like,
program, how we are developing using this IDLE. So how we are testing. So pip related, pip is added or not also you can check it. Pip hyphen pip space hyphen hyphen version, like you can type which version of the pip is available, like that showing. Whatever the Python version you installed related to that latest Python version, pip automatically downloading is. Okay, for example, if I'm using Python 3.10 version only, 3.10, for 3.10 which pip is supporting, that one automatically installing. If I'm using Python 3.13 latest, for that which pip was supported, that one automatically installing. So we are not focusing on this pip version, automatically supported version downloading and installing. Okay, if you want you can see like that. Are you clear? Pip is must be available in the scripts folder, guys. There, if it is not available, we can install it there. Up to that script folder, you can open pip install pip, like you can write, or some other alternative there. And all installed modules, see here. So here the Python script there, and here the Python pip is there. Here if not available, no worries. And later here the libs there, guys, libs, not libs, lib library. So here the Python related all libraries there, and here the somewhere site packages there. So here is there, guys, site packages. These all are Python based modules along with the Python software coming. Along with the Python software coming, I said previously, Python specialization is the Python comes with hundreds of modules or packages. Some are by default coming, some are we are going to installing and using. Okay, these all are Python based libraries only. And next site package there, here go inside that, and here again hundreds of Python packages there. These all are along with software coming. Some we installed, guys, using the pip command. Okay, no? So here coming automatically that pip related here coming, guys. Just you can check it here in this location is there. So we can do it that one, no problem. When you are facing any error pip related, just copy and paste in the internet, you will get it. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, path Python program downloading and installation related, these all things also are given, guys. Okay, Python interpreter related, installation related. Okay, interactive console coming, batch mode coming. Batch mode is nothing but ideally, interactive mode is nothing but black screen console related. Okay, here you are doing practice and all, and using the batch mode. Batch mode means many lines of code at a time we can write. Okay, for this batch mode related, why we are using batch mode means if we want to write the script files, then batch mode is required. So for batch mode related, guys, we can use the editors, number of editors there, and IDs there, guys, real time IDs there. We have a number of editors and number of IDs. So editors means like a notepad, notepad plus plus, edit plus, nano, ideally. This is along with software coming, Python software. These all are editors. Whatever the editor you want, you can use. If you are using notepad, notepad plus plus, these all things, a lot of burden we have to, I mean, lot of efforts we have to put. Okay, Python indentation, these all things maintaining related, a lot of efforts we have to put. That's why if we are using ideally, Python itself automatically following the indentation and all. What is indentation? These all things you will understanding later. Wait some time. And also we have so many IDs, guys, real-time IDs. Okay, for example, these all we can consider Jupyter, Anaconda, PyCharm, okay, Spider, Eclipse, VS Code Studio, like so many are there. So any one we can download and install. In our regular sessions, I'm going to teach about this one, PyCharm professional version, community professional, like 2 versions there. I'm going to installing PyCharm professional version, and I'm going to explaining that. Why means myself a Python web developer, guys. I'm developing Python full stack based applications. Python with Django, Python with Flask, Python with REST API, Python, Django, and with REST API, guys. For these all things, web development purpose, professional version is the most suitable one. Okay, later I will explain about this one when we are trying to installing this one. Okay, so forget about right now we are going to use this one ideally. This is automatically coming along with the Python software. So here I give an IDs related information. So this is a basic material, guys. It looks like many I mean, it looks like more length, okay, more pages there, looking like more pages. So line by line, you can go through that. So you will understanding easily. Okay, na? So here, first Python programming, how to doing also, how to creating and executing the first Python program. That is also I given. So here the ideally opening file clicking, new file clicking, and then later the write any code whatever you want and the control yes you are pressing, okay, and then saving where you want, after saving if you want to execute run you can click, okay, this screens also I provided, and finally you can execute, you are able to see the output like this. Okay, from the command prompt if you want to execute where your file is there up to that Python path, the command prompt you can open and there you can execute like a Python space file name. These all things right now I explained, guys. So here the like this many lines of code also you can write and you can execute it also, you can execute slowly, we can do more coding related. Okay, so in this material only, guys, PyCharm related also how to installing, okay, how we are using all I given. So this is separately after some sessions completing, so I will teach separately how to downloading installing these all things. Forget about this one right now, ideally automatically coming, you can use that ideally. So real time, guys, PyCharm professional I'm using, PyCharm professional, PyCharm community we can use only pure Python related if you want to develop, and Python with web development related if you want to do PyCharm professional we are going to downloading and installing, or is VS Code Studio also we can use, no problem. Most of the time these two we are using also, PyCharm and VS Code Studio. In our session I'm going to use a PyCharm related, I said that one, and if you are having other IDs related knowledge already you can use that one, that's your wish. Okay, na? So just the basic coding I created, guys. So how we are executing related, that is my intention right now. Okay, up to here, guys. Our first module over, guys. Up to here, our first module over. So here, check it. This one, Python introduction related. Who can learn the Python? What are the advantages of learning Python? Why Python is having demanding? What are the Python futures? Python history, Python versions, downloading and installing Python path, setup, first Python programming using the ideally. This section completing up to now. Okay, so next onwards, guys, Python basic concepts which are very important for developing the Python based coding. Okay, so Python keywords, Python comments, quotations, indentation, identifiers, variables, like there, guys. Okay, so next session onwards, directly I'm going to start keywords, tomorrow session. First we'll discuss about the quotations and then discussing about the comments and then discussing about the keywords. So order is not a matter, guys, this all do you know or not, that is important. Okay, in every language keyword there, in Python what are the keyword there, purpose is what, like that we are going to discussing. In every language comments concept there, in our Python how we are providing the comments, what is comments, purpose of the comments, like we are going to discussing. Okay, na? And these interview questions also I posted, guys. So far whatever we discussed, these interview questions also, for example this is a Python okay, wait, Python full stack related basic questions. So purpose of the full stack development, what are the technologies to learn the full stack development related, as a Python full stack developer what you require to learn, this is all. If you are joining for full stack development you will understand. So directly this session we started for Python
Hello?
related, that's why what is Python, why it is used, okay, can you explain about the Python key features, what are the Python features, okay, why Python is having demanding in the IT industry, what are the advantages, this all are looks like same Python related. This second material I given, guys. So thoroughly do reading first material and second material and you are
Hello?
able to give the answers. and installation related third material. For this, again questions are given. See here, how to downloading and installing the Python software. Right now check it, do you know or not about this one? Okay na? Yes, DevOps students, if you want you can leave it. The session over, only questions related I'm discussing. Okay, next, how to add the Python path in the environment variable section. Today only I explained after downloading installing path how we are adding. How to verify the Python path. Okay, Python was installed or not, how to verify. Command prompt open and type the Python. Okay, if error coming, then not install like that, you can get it. How to check the which version of the Python installed. The Python space hyphen hyphen version we are using. Pip version we are checking. What is the use of pip? PIP stands for Python installer package, which is used for downloading and installing the third-party related Python packages or modules. Okay, from the internet we can download, which is available in the Python script folder or in the site packages. This is automatically coming along with the Python software. Okay, this is also available in the material. And how do install the Python packages? Simple point using this, how we are installing means from the command prompt open, command prompt and install, like this pip install. What module you want, that module name, simply module name I'm using. So this module name can be any name, whatever you want. Pip install module name like we are writing. Okay, later pip related more clearly we will discuss this. Okay, no? So next